Hello everybody, my name is Jacob and this is my YouTube channel, Haneline Manufacturing. This channel is going to be about CNC machining, and I'll be going over processes that I do, some projects that I do, and I'll also be sharing everything that I know along the way so you guys can grow your knowledge and get better at machining. We'll also be doing some 3D printing and welding as they come up, but this channel is going to be mainly machining. So right here is my Tormach 770M that I got in 2021, beginning of it. And ever since then, I've been running this machine as much as I can, trying to learn more about it. I have a full-time job in the medical field as a machinist. This channel is my part-time hobby that I'll be doing, so I'll try to commit as much time as I can to making videos, and hopefully you guys like them. So if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and you'll get to see all the videos that are coming out. Thank you. If you guys like what you see, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Also head over to Instagram and follow my Instagram at Haneline Manufacturing 21.